Hey everybody, Margot here. Have you ever wondered what is the best online shopping cart platform available today? Well, after learning the hard way, I eventually realized I'll never have a PhD in ClickFunnels. I've spent a fortune on ads for ClickBank products, but really struggled to sell them. For me, it was a painful waste of time, a waste of money, and quite frankly, I did not love it. I eventually turned to other opportunities. I have a wonderful company now, but I've always hankered after the affiliate business because I know how much potential it has. And, thinking about it in retrospect, I finally realized that my problems were due to two main issues. The one was the training, and the second one was the shopping cart. And I'm happy to announce that these issues have both finally been resolved by two of the nicest and smartest guys you'll encounter either online or offline in the marketing world. Their names are Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher, and they invent the strategies that so many others copy and make a fortune doing so. They've created a solution in the shopping cart arena, and I'm very excited. I'm going to show you a demo in a minute. I mean, wouldn't it be great to have a shopping cart that can do everything, where the products are easy to create with upsells, downsells, multiple bump codes? I mean, imagine if you could accept payments in cryptocurrency and have dime sales on the spot, time-based sales, so many things. Also, it needs to be convenient and easy and quick. I'd like to be able to set up my funnels in a matter of minutes and not struggle for hours until 3 o'clock in the morning, the way I have with other platforms. I'd also like to set up funnels from my phone. My business is phone app based. I'm a busy person. I'm always on the move, and doing that would really help me. And finally, the product is here. It's called Mintbird. I can't wait for it to go live. It's got gorgeous checkout pages, easy to create products, and it's based on the concept of building product libraries, and you'll hear more about that in the video as well, in the demo. So I suggest watch the demo now, and afterwards you're going to get two fantastic gifts simply for watching this video. No strings attached. So enjoy it, and I'll see you in a few minutes. So that's pretty awesome, isn't it? I think the software is truly incredible because you're going to be able to set up products, digital products, add upsells and downsells and bump codes and everything else. But let me tell you about the bonuses that I'm sure you're interested in hearing about. You see, Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher are not just my mentors, they're my partners. And they've put together an incredible training for you called Simple Audio Products, where they're going to teach you exactly how to go out, identify the right niche market, and create simple little audio products you can sell multiple ones or give away to build a customer list in a particular niche. But in addition to that, and here's the big thing, they've agreed to let you be part of the Power Affiliate Accelerator program. You are going to learn to create videos like this one here. And trust me, I suck at this, so you'll be better than me, no doubt. They're going to approve your links so you have products to sell as an affiliate, and not just rubbish, but high quality products. And you're going to be able to learn from the very best in marketing. You'll be learning to become a power affiliate amongst the people that make millions of dollars. And not only that, they're going to give you all the resources you need, the videos, images. They're going to teach you how to do the marketing on your Facebook wall. Lots of really sort of, unknown strategies that all the big boys tend to keep to themselves generally. So what I want you to do, I suggest click the link down below because this will enable you to become part of this incredible opportunity. I'm so happy to share it with you. It's completely free, and I just hope you're going to be as excited as I am about Mintbird, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Okay.